Meaning of deposit account.
Deposit account.
Deposit account.
Deposit account.
Deposit account. A deposit account is a type of bank account that allows customers to deposit their funds while earning interest on the balance. These accounts are typically easy to access and come with lower fees compared to other types of accounts. Customers can utilize deposit accounts to save money and earn interest with little to no risk. They are often used for short-term savings goals such as a down payment on a house or a vacation. Deposit accounts are insured by the FDIC or NCUA, providing added security to customers' funds.